At Art Metal Workshop, we specialize in making your driveway gate minimalistic and easier to use. Gate automation means installing electric motors and smart controls on your gate, allowing it to slide open and close automatically through the press of a button. Convenience, safety, and property value all in one upgrade. One of the solutions we provide is the sliding gate opener. Perfect for properties without room for gates to swing, sliding systems move smoothly along a track, making them ideal for tight driveways, urban spaces, or large, heavy metal gates. Reliable, space-saving, and secure, sliding gate automation is designed for both durability and style. At Art Metal Workshop, we don't just craft beautiful gates. We automate sliding gates with precision and care. Call us today and discover how a sliding gate opener can transform your property.